Well, the gloom is slightly lighter up the estuary, which means this is morning, Thursday morning. Rain forecast most of the day. Good walking weather, I think you'll agree. I think it's going to be a bit drafty. Wind speed forecast up to 22 miles an hour. So unlikely to have much commentary. Middle of November walk. Well, this is about what you might expect. We're all geared up for this, so not an issue. Quite looking forward to it. But what we'll get done, I don't know. And you might get a bit wet. Just on the outskirts of Padstow. Although you can feel or hear the wind in the trees, you can't feel it yet because we're sheltered. But that's all about to change. Upper car park. You can see the soil being washed out the fields here. We've just come up through the protected valley now, all the way up the road with high sides. We're turning the corner, the wind's getting up. Time to go to DEFCON 3. Protection measures. Okay, ready? I don't know if you'll make out the clouds here, but they're fair scudding by at the moment. It's exposed here. We're in the horizontal rain. You can barely make out the headland in the distance. It's there somewhere. A grey day at the coast. No horizon out there today. Can't stand still. You can hear the gates singing in the wind here. Now this next bit is a bit silly really. It's fully exposed. You can probably see the rain driving across. And I don't think we'll be doing much filming. I think that's just a survival walk across there, quite frankly. It's mad, I tell you, mad. Wow. Here's the issue. Water keeps dripping off this thing. And going all over the camera. Don't worry. Shelter from the hedge at the moment. About to end. There. We're turning for the estuary now, so hopefully it'll be a little bit better, a bit more sheltered. Find out in a sec. Looks like it's been a bit damp hereabouts. Yeah. All a bit damp. Shh. Is that a? That's not a. Yes it is. It's a tyre. Wow. Don't see many of those. We have an interesting little issue here. Here are the boardwalks. And they go no farther. Well, it's a long walk back. There's another one here. See if we have any more luck with this. Soggy but passable with a set of steps. That's going to have to do. It's a bit of a squeeze, one has to say. But there we go. Low stealth and cunning, and we're through. Oh, good. I have to say it's a bit bouncy. And about 10 foot too short. Not defective, more like not even here. Pretty little area. This is just behind the sand dunes. We're finished with tracks. Now we're going to take to the dunes. Over there somewhere. Well, this is all a bit of an anticlimax now, isn't it, really? The excitement in the rain is gone. End of movie, I reckon. Cut! Join me on the next one. Just see the waves crashing on the beach. Race you home. Whew. Wow. Home again. Kind of walk. See what the damage is. Oh, it doesn't feel too damp, too wet. Slightly damp maybe. 20-year-old burger house doing what it's designed to do. I think it was the wind really more than the rain. So, yeah, acceptable. Good walk. Hope you enjoyed it. If you did, why not join me on the next one.